Hello friends, welcome to Bhartiye Products. We bring you a range of marking solutions for industrial use, leaser marking machines which has capability to mark on metal plates, metal bearings, plastic, paper boards, etc. Our machine are best quality products which are already used in modern industries with best services record. So friends, if you have any queries, contact us on the given number. You can also email us on our email address. You can also contact us for other industrial solutions. If you like our machine, so you can purchase it in very minimum price. So contact us and visit our website.